Okay, today we're going to continue our dividing, this time dividing 3- and 4-digit dividends by 2-digit divisors, resulting in 2- and 3-digit quotients. In this lesson, though, we are going to use partial quotients as our method for solution. So the first thing we want to look at is, again, estimating. So 590, we're going to have 600 divided by 20, since 600 is a multiple of 20, which is going to equal 30. So we're going to start with 30. We're going to take our quotient, multiply it by our our divisor, multiply it times our partial quotient, giving us 17 times 30. Well, 3 times 17 is 51, so 30 times 17 is going to be 510. We subtract, we are left with 80. We can then estimate again, 80 divided by 20 equals 4. So we're going to add 4 more to our partial quotient. Here we have 17 times 4. 4 times 7 is 28. 4 times 10 is 40. 40 plus 28 is 68. We then subtract and we are left with 12. Since 12 is less than our divisor, 17, 12 then becomes a remainder. So we are left with 30 plus 4, 34, with a remainder of 12. Now let's go ahead and give that a check. We take our quotient, 34, times it by our divisor, 17. 7 times 4, 28. 7 times 3 tens is 21 tens, plus 2 tens is 23 tens. And then 10 times 34 is 340. Add them up, 8, 7, 5, plus our remainder of 12 gives us 590, which is a match. Okay, in our second example, we're going to look at 839 divided by 41. Again, we'll start with estimating. 41, we could round that off to 40. And a multiple of 40 would be 800. It's going to give me 800 divided by 40, or 20. So let's go ahead and start with our partial quotient of 20. That takes our divisor, multiply it by our partial quotient, 41 times 20. 2 times 41 is 82. So that would be 820. We're going to go ahead and subtract, and we have 19 left. Now 19 is less than our divisor, 41, so 19 then becomes our remainder. We can go ahead and check. We take our divisor times our quotient. We have 0, which essentially is 20, times 41, which we know is 820. Add our remainder of 19. We have 839, which is a match. Thanks.